Hello, I'm going to show you how to delete an existing post in your blog at your website. First we have to choose which one I'm going to delete. For example, I want to delete this one that I already created, and I simply click here in trash. As you can see, it was already sent to the trash section, in which we can access by clicking here. Here is our post that we deleted, and we can either restore it or delete it permanently. We're gonna delete it permanently, and that's how you delete a post in WordPress. Thank you.